Today, Travis and I are making a teen boy cologne. This episode was inspired by his sister's episode where we did a little DIY at her 14th birthday party and all the girls made their own perfume blends in a spray bottle. And we put some glitter and some mica in there, but we're not gonna do that for yours, right? So today we're gonna make 3 different colognes for teens that are non-toxic and not full of phthalates. Because if you're familiar, most of the synthetic colognes and perfumes in the market today, they contain a lot of phthalates. That helps to hold the scent on there longer, but it also disrupts the hormones, specifically testosterone. And so they're finding teen boys having a lot less testosterone than they should because of all of the microplastics and the phthalates. If you want to help your child's body, especially when they're a teen and going through that puberty stage of life, that's going to be the most important time to make sure they have clean ingredients placed on their body. So that's why today we're going to make 3 alternatives, and Trav has a favorite. We're going to demo one of the colognes today, and then we're going to drop all of the recipes in the show notes so that you can make your favorite and figure out what your favorite is. You'll actually find that after a couple of days, they smell better, right?
Yeah, they have a stronger smell, definitely.
Yeah, so like all mixed together. So which of the 3 is your favorite?
I like this one. It smells like, it has like a citrus smell, like orange. I think it's the wild orange in it.
This is something you could get your child involved with if they like to make it, or you could just gift it to them. So we're going to go ahead and make the bold, the sporty blend. So our bottles are 2 ounces. So we're going to use 1 ounce of water, and we're going to use 1 ounce. You could use witch hazel. I personally don't love witch hazel because it has an aroma to it and it changes the aroma of the cologne. So I prefer, you can just use like a cheap vodka or perfumer's alcohol. I just think a cheap vodka works just as well to help kind of mix the essential oils up together. So that's kind of the methodology of using an alcohol. So we use a little bit of alcohol in there and just mix it. I already has my water in there. You need 7 drops of wild orange. So you need 4 black pepper, 2 peppermint, and 8 sandalwood, or you could choose patchouli. We chose sandalwood. Patchouli is a very unique aroma and you kind of either love it or hate it. You could swap out that sandalwood for some patchouli. We might want to reduce the drops. And then we will just add our mix of alcohol and water. And there it is. All these 3 are the same simple base. You're just going to use your 1 ounce of vodka or witch hazel and your 1 ounce of water. And then we'll drop all the recipes below for each one. So now you have a cologne for your teen boys. However, I found that I've fallen in love with them, and I specifically love the adventure one. That's one of my favorites. If you're the mom or the dad, you might find you also fall in love with these. So they don't just have to be for the teen boys. And the best part is, you know, every single ingredient in there, your whole house isn't going to smell like a cologne bomb. And you know that what you're putting on your bodies and your children's bodies is safe and non-toxic. So one little thing we do want to mention is 2 of our colognes have some photosensitive oils in them. Our citrus oils are like that. They're a cold pressed oil. So on your skin and then in the sun, you could burn. So Adventure is the only one that you can spray on your skin if you're going out in the direct sunlight. Our bold blend and then our cool blend, you want to be a little more careful. So hit those on your clothes. You could put a little bit in your hair, but just try to avoid your skin if you're going out in the bright sun. Usually after 12 hours, you're pretty good. So if you are going out in the evening and not in the bright sun, you'll probably be fine till the next day. But those are just a couple safety tips to remember, and obviously don't spray it in your eyeballs. So like I said, we'll link up all of the oils we used, the matte black bottles from Amazon that we used. Using a glass bottle is always best. Make sure that your teen keeps their hormones firing the way that they should with a clean cologne.
If you like this content, give us a like and subscribe. If you made one of these colognes, give me a comment and tell me which is your favorite.